In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Read AI in Microsoft Teams. If you've noticed Read AI showing up in meetings, or you simply don't want it connected to your Teams account anymore, removing the app is quick and reversible, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, open Microsoft Teams on your desktop or in your browser. Once Teams loads, look to the left sidebar and click on Apps. This is your central place for finding, managing, and removing apps connected to your Teams experience. If you don't see the apps icon, make sure your window isn't minimized or collapsed. Expanding the sidebar usually brings it into view. Inside the apps area, go to Manage Your Apps. This section lists all the apps currently installed for your profile. It's a handy spot to review what has access to your workspace and to clean up anything you're no longer using. In the list, locate read.ai. If your list is long, use the search bar at the top to quickly find it by typing read.ai. When you've found Read AI, hover over it and click the More Options button, which looks like 3 dots. From that menu, choose Uninstall or Remove. Teams may prompt you to confirm the removal. If you see a confirmation dialog, go ahead and confirm. Once you do, Teams will uninstall the app from your account, effectively disabling it and stopping it from appearing in your meetings or sidebar. A couple of quick notes to help you out. If you don't see the option to uninstall, it's possible your organization's admin has required the app for certain users or teams. In that case, reach out to your IT administrator and ask them to remove or block it for your account. Also, removing the app from your profile doesn't delete any existing meeting content. It simply disconnects the app so it can't run or access new meetings under your profile. After removal, you can verify it worked by returning to Manage Your Apps and confirming Read AI no longer appears in the list. If you change your mind later, you can always reinstall it from the apps catalog by searching for Read AI and adding it back. That's all there is to it. Open Teams, go to Apps, select Manage Your Apps, find Read AI, click the 3 dots and choose Uninstall or Remove. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you keep your team set up exactly the way you want it.